Today we are spicing up our homemade ghee or clarified butter with some fresh moringa leaves. It's easy, healthy and smells amazing. Take a heavy bottomed pan, add 400 grams of unsalted butter. Heat over low-medium heat until it fully melts and begin to simmer gently. You'll see foam forming. This gentle simmer is the key to avoid burning or cloudy ghee. Over 15 to 20 minutes, the milk solids sink and start turning light brown and bubbling becomes quieter. When the aroma shifts to a toasted nutty scent and bubbling is minimal, the ghee is ready. With the heat off, immediately add the moringa leaves. Stir gently to mix. Let the mixture sit undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. It helps to settle any moringa particles and milk solids at the bottom. Strain ghee into a clean dry jar and discard the solids. Let it cool completely before sealing the jar. Homemade ghee lasts around 2 to 3 months at room temperature and even longer if refrigerated. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit subscribe and drop a comment below.